Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to skip units on Duolingo. Now if you're on Duolingo and the language you're learning, you already know everything under that unit and you want to skip, it's very easy. Go to the next unit and just click on jump here. Want to jump to unit 2? Yes, of course I want to jump to unit 2. You have to pass a test though. Once you can pass the test, you would automatically switch to unit 2, but this is going to be hard because you must make nothing, you can't make anything more than 3 mistakes. Actually, it says you must make less than 3 mistakes to pass this challenge. Wow. So you just have to finish it. Oh wow. So as you can see, I'm already making mistakes. Anyway, you just have to finish the challenge, finish the test, pass the test with less than 3 mistakes, and you'll be able to switch over to the next section and continue your learning experience. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks for watching.